So friends, in this video I am going to control a fan using this fancy light circuit, and this one is the remote. Here you can see it's working. It's infrared, sorry, yes, IR control. Let me remove this outer cover. It contains this small circuit. Here these white wires are for receivers, and these other four wires goes to the LED strip. The red, blue and green, these RGB wires powers the different colors of the LEDs. Let's remove this all four wires. And here I am using this 12 volt DC relay. I am going to connect the coil wires to the circuit. These two gray wires are the trigger pins, and this red and green is to power the coil. The green one will go to the ground, and the red one you can place anywhere. Any of these remaining three ports. Just clean the flux so that it don't get short circuit. Okay, now let's see if it is working. I'm using this 9 volt power supply. Here you can hear the triggering sound. Okay, here I have placed an LED so that you can see it's working. We will be using only two switches, the on and off. Here I am having two lithium-ion batteries. Each of them is 3.7 volts, and I'm going to put these two batteries inside the box. But before that, we have to solder the wires on the ports, and always ensure the wires are connected on the proper terminals. So here I have connected these batteries in series, and it gives 6.33 volts, and it's enough to run our circuit as well as the relay. Let's see if it is really working. Okay, it's working. It's not that loud, but still you can hear it's triggering. Let's place the batteries and the circuit inside this case, and it's ready to work. Yes, it's still working. Let's connect the circuit with the fan. All we have to do is just remove this regulator and place the circuit on its place. And ensure to switch off the power supply so that you remain safe. Okay, now I will put the circuit. The sensor needed to be outside. Okay, and the relay should go inside. It's quite easy. And now connect the wires in place of the regulator. The one of the wire will go to the switch and the another one will be the other wire which was going to the fan. If you are confusing with the wire, write in the comment box. Okay, it's done. Just press the switch and you can control with the remote. But this kind of gadgets often makes the man lazy. But it's quite useful to the old peoples and the disabled. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.